Hello friends, myself Janki Sahu. Today is my topic charge coupled device. CCD is a semiconductor device made by silicon semiconductor. CCD is very sensitive for light. CCD is light detector which the light energy in form of photon convert into electrical charge. The charge device is new concept which is used to store digital information. It is an dynamic shift register. Charge coupled device is device for movement of charge. It means electrical charge usually from within the device to an area where the charge can be manipulated, such as conversion into a dynamic signal value. Charge coupled device was invented in 1969 by Willard Bayes and George Smith. They were awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 2009. सो गाइस अब हम देखेंगे सीसीडी का बेसिक कंसेप्ट एंड उसका स्ट्रक्चर. Structure of CCD is shown in figure 1. Consider a p-type silicon substrate covered with thin oxide layer and closely packed metallic electrode. When a positive voltage V1 applied at the gate and two other gates are held at same potential as the substrate, the depletion region is formed below the gate G1. This plot is also represent the potential barrier for electrons, which are minority regions. Each metallic electrode and the substrate can store charges when applied voltage supply at the gate electrode. A depletion region is formed in the substrate immediately under the metallic electrode. अब हम देखेंगे सीसीडी का वर्क. Each metallic electrode and substrate form a MOS capacitor. This capacitor can be biased depletion region forming potential well. The depth of potential well is a function of the applied voltage at the gate and becomes more higher biasing, so the information signal charge can store and it could transfer from one potential well to other potential well by applying the higher voltage at the respective gate. सो अब हम देखेंगे स्टोरेज ऑफ चार्ज कि कैसे चार्जेस स्टोर होता है. Storage of charge in CCD is shown in figure 2. This just like to accumulation of charge layer, the storage charge can be moved from left to right by applying voltage at the gate in proper sequence. However, we can understand the storage of charge by figure A. If we applied more positive voltage at gate B as compared to other gate, then electrons are stored in central side electrode is confined this well, and V3 greater than V2 and V2 greater than V1. अब हम देखेंगे चार्ज ट्रांसफर कैसे होता है. ट्रांसफर ऑफ चार्ज इन CCD shown fig B. When applied voltage on right hand side electrode is more than V3 greater than V2 greater than V1 voltage on other electrodes. The result is potential variation as shown in figure B. The charge, it means information, could transfer from lower potential to higher potential. चार्ज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. अब हम देखेंगे चार्ज ट्रांसफर विथ क्लॉक वोल्टेज. चार्ज ट्रांसफर विथ क्लॉक वोल्टेज. Pixel it means picture plus element. Pixel actually consists of 3 electrodes. Only one of these electrode is required to create potential well, but other electrodes are required to transfer the out of CCD, and 3 electrodes are required to transfer charges with clock voltage to continue clocking out of the CCD. Taking V1 high and V3 taking low will ensure that the charge cloud now drifts across under the A electrodes. As this process is continue, the charge cloud will process either down column on across the row depending upon the orientation of the electrodes. Figure 4 is called the clocking diagram. Applied voltage is so progression under the which each electrode is held high and low to ensure that charge is transferred through the CCD. This process is known as charge coupling device. अब हम देखेंगे CCD का यूज एंड एडवांटेज. Uses of CCD. It is used in video camera. This is also used in astronomical telescope, scanner and barcode reader. It is used in the processing of satellites photographs. It is used in machine vision for robots. Advantage of CCD. It has produced low noise. Second, no chemical processing is needed. Third, cheap price. It is more sensitive than photographic films. It has large area coverage. So friends, हम लोग तो बहुत सारे कैमरा, डिजिटल कैमरा, आजकल CCD जो डिजिटल कैमरा, डिजिटल मोबाइल में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज होते हैं. तो जब हम लोग अपना डिजिटल कैमरा में जब हम लोग देखते हैं कि जो सबसे पहले अपना मोबाइल का कैमरा ऑन करते हैं, तो जब भी कोई बटन हम लोग जब प्रेस करते हैं तो एक ऑपरेचर ओपन होता है. फिर लाइट जो है वो लेंस के थ्रू अंदर जाता है. फिर वो लाइट को फोटोन के फॉर्म में इलेक्ट्रिकल चार्ज में कन्वर्ट करता है. यही और ये लाइट को डिटेक्ट करता है. सो गाइस, थैंक यू माय वाचिंग वीडियो. थैंक यू.